To create a new point of sale stock card, you need to go into Stockcards and under the search box, click New. The system will ask you if the card you are creating is to be dispensed as a drug. If it is not for dispensing, select No. Enter the product name, then click the box next to Plu. Go up to Edit and select Generate Plu, or you can type Ctrl-G on your keyboard. Next, you can set the product group and product class using the drop-down boxes. Add the barcode by right-clicking, then selecting Add Barcode. You can either type the barcode or scan it from the product itself. Next, in the supplier box, right-click and select Add Supplier. Then select the appropriate supplier from the drop-down menu like so. You can add a part code here too if you wish. If you have access to the information, add the supplier cost price and list cost. You can also set the recommended retail price here too. You can indicate if this is the manufacturer or preferred supplier for this product by selecting the appropriate tick boxes here. You can add in the list and real costs manually on the right hand side of the screen and add GST if it is required, or you can select no GST for end users. Make sure that you add your preferred retail price here too. In the top right hand box of the screen, you can decide if you'd like to print the price on the label, allow point of sale lookup, and if you would like to print price stickers or shelf labels for this stock card. Ticking the box next to reorder will ensure that it comes up next time you place an order from that supplier. Go into the Orders tab to select your ordering preferences. You can set the system to order in outers or packs, and you can also set up outer specifications. You can select Search to start a new product, and the system will ask you if you wish to save your changes. Select Yes. Alternatively, you can enter in the part code of a product in the search box, and the system will search for a match for you. If it finds a match, it will give you the option to either create a new stock card and import the details from the wholesaler database, or you can select No if you believe the product exists in your database already and search by the trade name instead.